I think you like reading books. And do you have any favorite books? I also think that it's hard to choose. I think the Pacific story is good too. Yeah, I remember it. The name of the book is Su행평가와. Also, I have two reasons to support my opinion, and I have a reason to who I recommended this book, and how I was affected by this book. First, this can make a lot of imagination. The imagination is really interesting because you can think about things other people cannot think about. In this book, the book is meant to you, so the book can help you make imagination through this book. For example, I have a lack of imagination for drawing at my school, and I will read these books, and while I read these books, I can have a lot of imagination. That is the one reason for why I recommended these books. Second, this book can have good concentration. The book can make good concentration, This book has a lot of pages to read, so that can make you read books a lot. Thus, that can make concentration better, the concentration needed for study. For example, I had a low score on my test because I didn't study hard, so I need better grade for the test. Thus, when we read these books, we can have good concentration. Finally, I recommended this book for those who like fantasy or unique things. Also, this book can have a good effect on concentration and a lot of imagination. The book can make a reality because these books had a little reality, so that's a point to see. I think when friends read these books, he or she think this is too long story. That because we have a story of 500 to 700 pages for the story, and we have 5 stories to read. In conclusion, I think the Su행평가와 saga is my favorite book. Also, I have a few reasons to support it. Lastly, thanks for watching my video.